Okay, let me guess. You cut back on your sugar, you stopped eating late at night, you ditched the bread, the pasta, maybe even the snacks, but the scale, it's still stuck. And that was exactly me when I did start my weight loss journey. I'm Mo, and I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months, but trust me when I say, my first, second, even third attempt was complete disaster because nobody actually told me what I'm about to tell you today. See, weight loss isn't just about cutting out carbs and eating clean. It's about understanding why your body burns fat and what's quietly getting in the way. And let me show you 3 things that keep people stuck, even when they're healthy eating. And make sure you stay till the end because I'm gonna give you some bonus tips in this video today that most people never think about. Now, if you're eating clean but not losing weight, you're not broken. Your metabolism isn't broken. But these 3 mistakes, they're actually holding you back. So let's get started to fixing them today. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you do not miss videos just like this with the best weight loss tips, especially as we keep growing and adapting and seeing so many new clients, right? Now, let me say this, okay? Healthy fats are great until they're not great. Now, olive oil, avocado, nuts, cheese, dressings, they're all going to add up fast. And fat is the most calorie-dense thing that we put in our bodies. You guys, 1 gram of fat is actually equal to 9 calories. And 1 gram of protein or carbs is about 4 calories. So when you're in the beginning of your journey, while you're trying to cutting carbs does start to help, but loading up on fat without watching the portions is not going to work. That's how clean eating is actually going to quickly stall your weight loss progress. And studies from the Journal of Clinical Investigation actually prove it. Your body stores any extra energy, even if it's from healthy fats, if it's not primed to burn fat and you're overeating. So the fix, you want to flip your plate. At first, you want to prioritize protein, add a lot more colored veggies, and use the healthy fats for flavor, not as your main course at first. And simple meals will always win. Now, my go-to fat loss initial plates are grilled salmon, roasted veggies, half an avocado with the right spices on top, and even a light drizzle of some delicious olive oil. It's satisfying, it's balanced, and more importantly, it's guaranteed fat burning. Okay? Mistake number 2, you're living off of healthy snack foods. Here's the silent killer of weight loss. Snacks creep up on you. Protein bars, nut packs, these low-carb treats, sugar-free cookies. Even if they say healthy, most of these foods are actually processed and super easy to overeat. Some Stanford researchers have found that processed foods will lead people to eat 500 plus more calories a day, even without realizing it. And they spike your cravings, they mess with your hunger signals, and they keep you snacking when you should feel full. Now the fix, real food, is going to give you real results. You guys, your body loves eggs, salmon, chicken, veggies, avocados, nuts, and they all just need to be portioned correctly and not mindlessly eaten. Now, whole foods naturally turn down your hunger hormone and will flip on the fat burning mode. Okay? Mistake number 3, you're actually eating more carbs than you think. Now, this is a little bit of a sneaky one because people think they're eating low carb, but you guys, carbs are hidden in everything. Dressings, sauces, nuts, protein bars, even some of those extra veggies. And if your goal is to turn your body into a fat burning machine, you're going to have to lower those carbs enough for your body to be able to switch over. Now, studies in nutrition and metabolism show real fat burning starts when carbs are kept consistently low, usually anywhere from 20 to 30 grams per day, depending on the person and your body type. Now, the fix to this is you need to track your food for a couple of days, right? You need to read the labels, watch out for these sauces and dressings, and then pay attention to your snacking. And better yet, like we do, use a ketone or a glucose monitor to know if your body is actually burning fat. And inside Weight Loss Paradise, we literally ship those right to your door. Data will always remove the guesswork. And let's be honest, okay? Let me give you this bonus tip. Most people don't struggle because they're lazy. Most people just struggle because they're guessing. There's no plan, there's no accountability, and there's no real strategy. And that was me too, until I found a system that worked. And that's why we created the Weight Loss Paradise. We want to help thousands of people shed millions of pounds worldwide, and we're going to help them by getting people to stop guessing and start actually seeing the results. And inside our weight loss coaching program, We make weight loss simple. We do custom meal plans that are built for your body. And how do we build them for your body? Well, your coach uses the Smart Scale and the ketone or glucose tester that we ship right to your door. And with those two tech items, we're able to understand how your body is reacting to the ingredients and the recipes that we provide you. And if you want to get started on your journey even without us, there's the recipe book for free below that you can download right now with what we use with hundreds of our clients every day to lose weight. So I know you can use it to your advantage as well. And if you still want a chance to do a retreat or our weight loss coaching program, we are still giving away one retreat every month, and now we're giving away 3 coachings every month as we continue to grow. Because remember, our goal is to help millions of people, even if possible, shed as much weight as possible, because weight loss is an epidemic that the world is not able to fix, and it just makes it harder on ourselves without the right information. So here, our goal is to make it easy. Binge the videos, make sure you're subscribed, share the channel with somebody that you know needs to be told being overweight is not their fault. They just need to get started on their journey, and they need the right science to help their specific body type lose the weight and, more importantly, keep it off. And we're here to help. I'll see you guys on the next video.